Hey, Sneaky Let's back, and we have today Macpup Opera 061. It's the new release from the Macpup Opera stable, and very nice it is too. Now, it's a bit of an upgrade, it's not a completely new one, but they've tweaked it and done bits and bobs. So we'll have a little look around for you. And as you can see, I've put something in the old widget bar down there, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. We just have a sweep round of the bar of all the apps that are on there. The usual ones are there before. We've got settings at the end, and there's the old task manager. We'll have a little look. There you go. It's only using 33 meg. Nothing at all, really, is it? It's working fine. So you can see I've put ISO master there. So if we go to settings, you get quite a few options. So you've got wallpapers, fonts, etc., etc. And if we go to apps, you've got new applications, Ibar, and other applications, style applications, blah blah blah. We'll go to the Ibar. Now, there's the ISO master I put in there, so we're going to remove that. So if we click on delete and apply, it takes it away from the bar. So we'll go down and find one that I really want to use, so to say. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. What should we look for? Oh, Ibar. We'll just put that in there as an example. We add that. It gets added to the bottom of the bar. Now we want to move that up to where you want it in the bar. That'll be about right, I think, don't you? Apply, close, and there you go. In the bar we have Ibar. Remember, the idea of the bar is to put all the programs that you really need and use in there so they're easily accessible for you. We're going to open up Opera for the web browser, go straight to the speed dial page. We'll click on Google, nice and quick. We'll click thinking there, what should we put? I know, let's put me in for a change. I love myself. There you go, nice and quick. All about me and the videos I do, blah blah blah. That's enough about me. Into the search bar, we're going to put Macpup, just to show that it does actually work, which it does. Click him on, there we go. Lots of stuff about Macpup, lovely. We're going to click on packages, because if you're actually going to build one yourself, they do actually supply some packages for you. Look, they're very nice chaps, all for free too. Jolly good. All comes up nice and quick to Opera, and the little problems I did have with Opera with it last time seem to have gone for some reason, although they've said they haven't actually done anything to it. Now, you know, I'm a Gimp addict, and it does work really quick on here, and with a dark background it's really easy to use too, so I'm really happy about that. Next, we're going to show you all the different desktops. There's a couple of new pictures and some of the older ones, but this is the other thing I liked about it before, because you get a different picture with every desktop, so you know exactly where you are and where you're supposed to have put stuff. Hopefully, anyway. And if you've got a mind like mine, you really need that, because I'm very forgetful. We'll go to applications, we'll go to documents, and Abbey Word is a standard. I will open them up. I know I do it every time, and people say, oh, it's boring, but we want to make sure it works and what version we got. And it's 263 here, so that's cool for me. We'll leave that open in that desktop. We'll open a new one. We're going to open Opera in that one, in our web browser, leave that open. This is just to see how stable it is when you've got a lot of apps running, really. I've done it quite a few times on other distros. On there, you know what, I'm going to open the Ibar up again, and I'm going to add another app. Now, the other companion to Abbey Word is obviously G-numeric, and I'm going to use that quite a bit, obviously, because I do lots of that sort of stuff. Not. But I'm going to put it in there anyway, just as an example. So the first one wasn't a fluke, it does work. We'll close them down, and there you can see G-numeric in the bar. Lovely. As I said before, the bar is for all your apps that you use regularly. So there we go. All the apps are still working, none have crashed, which is the main thing, really, stability, and that's why I like Macpup Opera, really. It is really, really stable. I haven't really managed to break it, and nor is the wife. She runs on an old laptop, not broken at all. Just keeps running and running and running. Not even had any problems with the X either. There we go. Where should we go next? I know. We're going to open Ibar in on the last one for your instant messaging. I mean, you can put Pigeon on other stuff, but it's already on here, so you might as well use it. And it seems reasonably stable with it open, even if you've got a web browser open anyway. We go back to that section on Opera. What should we do? We'll open up another page here, just to see how it comes out of all the apps running. That's not too bad. That is my internet connection today, I'm afraid. Very, very slow. That's what you get for living in the country. Dear, oh dear. There you go. They're still not crashed. They're still lovely. We'll open up the process manager one more time. It's not even using 100 megs of RAM, and the processor's not doing anything, is it really? It's just idling most of the time, so that's cool for me. Really, really good. I mean, the main thing about Macpup Opera is its stability. I mean, I know there's no groundbreaking things in this version, but it's kept all the good ones and just tweaked the ones that are already there to make them better for you. Now, I'm going to open a YouTube up page for the simple reason it's got lots of pictures on it, and it's quite an intensive page for the browser to handle. And we'll see how much extra RAM that's going to use, which in theory shouldn't be any, but as you know, it probably will be. And yes, it is. It's actually using 100 meg now, and we're not actually doing anything. So if you're going to watch videos, remember that's going to go up slightly, so another 20, 25. But you've got plenty of RAM there to handle it anyway, so that's no worries whatsoever. Pages are nice and bright up there in the Opera bar. You can delete stuff from the trash can. We'll close that browser down. Still there, look, it's not crashed. I like it. Lovely, lovely. We'll close him down. Slowly but surely. Close all the pages down. See, they all do still work. Love it. So my response to this Macpup really is stability, and it is stable. And that's the reason why you should really use it. So anyway, we'll go back to the CPU usage again. Look, nothing at all there. Nothing at all. Get this Macpup 061. It's beautiful. Download it, use it live, USB stick, or even install it. Sneaky Linux going out to play. Thank you very much.